Kia ora koutou. So kei te tua waru o ngā tohu, kei te tohu Pātai. So we're at the eighth symbol within this pathway of learning, Tākina te kupu, remember Tākina te kupu? Reciting the words. So basically, what we're dealing with is he tohu Pātai, a bit of a P there, the question, Pātai meaning question, right? And in any language, there's a set of interrogatives. So what I'm talking about is interrogation. Who are you? What's this? How many of there are you? That's what pretty much questions and interrogatives are about. Interrogatives answer, they form the question that actually, they pose the question and then the phrase answers that question, right? So without getting into this too much, I just want to introduce you to the main lot of questions. There aren't that many actually. So there's te here meaning which one, te here. E here meaning which ones, plural. Why, who. Here, where. Aha, what. Pe here, can you say that? Pe here, pe here. How. E here, here. E here, how many. Ina here, when in the past, and are here, when in the future. Now, again, this is just an introduction, but I want to introduce you to these questions, and those questions show up in each of the symbols of the pathway of learning in different places. So, for instance, if we our last video was about location nouns and these particles, joining particles, K, and then we had here, where. So where is something at now? K here, ki here, to where should something go? E here, where was something? So you'll see just for where, the word where, it has different applications depending on the symbols. That's just a brief introduction to the tohu Pātai, the questions that we'll come across, and we'll delve into those and explore those a whole lot more as we go through the pathway of learning. Ngā mihi kia koutou.